Replacing the board in our dispenser isn't too difficult. Lay the unit on a flat surface and open it up. Remove the nozzle reservoir assembly, then push the two tabs in to release the component box. Notice the on-off switch will need to fit into its opening to reattach the box. Remove the 5 screws. Once the box is open, find the existing board location. Note the direction and sensor location for reassembly. Remove the board, detach both sets of wires and reattach on the new board. Also, pull off and reattach the sensor housing. Then, just put it all back the way it was. Make sure the wires do not get crimped or cut when replacing the cover. If everything is in the right place, it will go together easy. When it's back together, you should be ready to go.